Okay, time for some hot tub insulating here. Let me grab this real quick. I made a little box right there, you can see. Because what I'm going to do is, when I fill this all with great stuff, I don't want the great stuff filling the valve up, obviously. So hopefully the great stuff's going to come up and around that box, and hopefully my plans will work, but we're going to find out. I've never done this before. First thing I'm going to do is tape up these tops so I can pull these in and have a fairly tight seal between all the plastic bits. I think really the easiest way to do it is just wrap it in duct tape. Good old duct tape. So, yeah, away we go. That actually worked pretty good. I was hoping I wasn't going to break any of them. I'm going to have to run a couple of pieces up the seams, because there's a couple of seams that aren't the best. But we'll try and fill those in and get those. Well, I guess we're going to try and do this. I want to put something down because I definitely don't want this stuff all over my garage floor. I'm never going to get up. So bear with me on that for 1 second. Unfortunately, I don't really have a mount. I'd like to get you up above me and watch from above, but we can worry about that later. I'm working on that too. So, this stuff expands a lot if you haven't used it. And what I think I'm going to try and do is run just some around the bottom, because I don't want this to force the whole thing apart, which is going to be my biggest nightmare, and I'll have to start over. But no time better than the present, and see how it goes. Okay, welcome back. I got the big gap sealer, so we're going to try this stuff. This stuff's going to expand a lot more, but I realize part of the reason why it's not expanding is because it's cold outside. So we'll see how much this fills up. I'm going to do small spots because this stuff's supposed to be 3 times what the other stuff is. We'll try it out. Well, I really hope that works, because I'm going to have to get this garage really warm to have this expand.